Okay, YouTube, I am back.
Take off.
I came over to my friend's house to borrow a piece of equipment. Let me find some shade so I can see my screen here. Hopefully you can hear me. But I came to my friend's house to borrow something, but I took my drone with me, and we're gonna do a quick flight. You can see my friend over here. I'll go over there and help him here shortly. But I'm gonna take a quick flight over the lake, and then I'll get on that tractor and have the drone track me maybe. I know I've been MIA for a while, but for the last, 4 or 5 weeks, I was studying for my FFA or FAA remote pilot certificate, and I got that. And that's a relief. But that's what I was doing. I had to really get serious. And I took the test on March 5th. And I made a 95%. I got to get back into this flying drones because it's been a while, and I had a drone out here earlier, but I had the wrong controller for it, so I had to go back home, get the right controller, and come back over here. Let me see here. For some reason, I don't remember this other pond or lake here. Anyway, it is hot out here today. But I'm not gonna take too long. Like I said, I just wanted to get back in the mix of stuff. Maybe we'll fly to I think there's a park. Let me make sure where I'm going first. Yeah, I'm going the wrong way. There's a park over here. Let's put in sport mode.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
And get over there. My friend, and I'll show you here shortly, but he has about 3 classic cars. Oh, happy Easter. It's Easter. But he has about 3 classic cars, and one day hopefully I'll get to do a video of a few of these cars, whether I'm tracking him or what. But yeah, this is a little park here, and if we go straight up, I think the last time I flew out here, there was maybe like one house they were building over here in this new subdivision. But now there's quite a few out here. As you can see there. Let's keep going. I'm by this metal building here, so signal not that good. Okay, we're gonna bring it back over here. Let's put in sport mode again.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
And then I'll get on this tractor and maybe have me track me. Let's lower it down. Let's get back in normal mode because there's no DJI Air refresh here. Let's see.
That over here got hotter. You said geeches don't draw no geese. Lord have mercy.
Stop it, Jeffrey. All right, I'm going a little fast, but let me find this. There we go. See if I still know how to operate this tractor. All right, let's see what we do here. I'm not sure if the camera catching everything, but I'll get it and take it out first. Let's see here. Neutral. Hopefully the mic will pick this up. It up. Let's see if it'll track me now. There we go. Recognizing me as a person versus a vehicle, but let's see what it does. I think I'm on spotlight mode, so hold on. The track. There we go. Now let's try it. I think it's working. Yeah, it's going back. Up a little. Now I'm gonna bring it to the side. Just having some fun here. Kind of close. Alright, let's go back to the rear. if I can lower it. Okay. Whoa, buddy. Where you going? I think it lost me. Yeah, it had lost me. It's pretty close. Let me get out of here. That was fun, but it'll be much fun if I use one of his old cars here. But I'm gonna land the drone and I'll show you a few of the cars here. So oh, let me stop this. Okay, let me hand catch it. Oh, buddy, it's still tracking me for some reason. Let's get off of this. There we go, stop. There we go. The Air 3S. Just in time, I hear a helicopter. Anyway, thanks for watching this short video, and I got some things planned that I'll try and get some stuff done here next couple of weeks. So anyway, I'll catch you guys later. Hopefully my action camera still recording, but I'll show you guys these vehicles. AMX and a Chevelle and another Chevy over there, Impala, I think. And I don't know if the camera can see this 80, I think it's an 86 Chevy truck over there. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Let me put all this stuff up.